Honorable adjudicators, my worthy opposition proposition, greetings to one and all. In front of you is the opposition leader here to strongly oppose the motion that states to maximize the effectiveness and competitiveness of education in Tanzania, this House will completely overhaul the current education system. I would like to define this motion in our perspective. It is clear that the proposition side do not understand the motion. First of all, they say to completely overhaul. Do you know what this means? It means to strip down a system by making major changes rather than small adjustments for improving performance. This is according to Pearson Education book written by Robbins in 2018. From this completely overhaul, we see that they are actually scrapping and tearing down the whole education system and resetting it from scratch. So it means that they want to change everything that is in our education system, from the curriculum, infrastructure, everything. They restructure everything from the bottom and start again from scratch. Moreover, they also not notice the word current education system. We have a current education system that is the 2014 revised education system, and that was effective early 25 this year. What do we mean to say? We are talking about the current education system that meets the competence-based approach. They came here talking about 1960s and 1970s. Dear judges, we are not here in the past. Remember, our motion said current education system, and we have seen that our country has actually done an education reform recently and has revised it so as it can be implemented in early this year, 2025. And that is the new curriculum that our Form 1 students are actually using it. So, according to the motion, we are supposed to debate according to that new curriculum system. So it means you as the government did not actually understand this motion. So we will like to reset parameters since they did not set them, by the way. We're going to debate on the new education curriculum from 2014 to 2024 and its implementation. And our scope is going to be in Tanzania. To start with the rebuttals, they said we haven't reviewed the infrastructure. But have you seen what our current government is doing? Have you seen the number of schools that the government has built both in rural and urban areas? Do you know the number of desks that our current government has actually put? The number of new textbooks, the number of new teachers that have been enrolled? Okay, let's continue. We don't want to overhaul completely. Why? Because the current education system is effective. We as the opposition stand on the belief that there is no need for any kind of overhauling of our current education system because it meets the current demands for our country's economy and development. I, as the opposition leader, will give clear reasons as to why it's not necessary to overhaul our current education system. My deputy will come to give you the strengths of our current curriculum and why is it sufficient. To begin with the reasons as to why our current education system is very efficient. First of all, economically. We do not need a new education system right now. Why? We are just from changing it. And we have seen massive amounts of money that has been used in changing our curriculum. Almost 84 billion Tanzanian shillings has been used by our government just to restructure this new curriculum. is irrelevant. Providing our evidence, even now our new education system was not completely overhauled. What do we mean by this? Our government have been finding the loopholes in our education system and actually restructuring it and giving it strength. So we have seen that our government currently is actually very good in tackling these problems of economy, but also the problems that come with completely overhauling the system. So we do not only oppose the completely overhaul agenda, we also oppose that you are trying to change our new and current education system. We anticipate that the government will say that our education system is outdated, but according to Professor Mkenda, the Minister of TAMISEMI, has actually said our new curriculum will be effective. Why? Because it has incorporated technology and advancement of 21st century skills that will be efficient in developing our children and combating poverty. With this, I'm proud to oppose